There are 7 AI tools available right now that are so powerful, they feel illegal to be free.
Most people have no idea these exist. Let me show you all 7 slowly. Number 1 will blow your mind.
Number 6, Perplexity AI. It's Google search on steroids. Ask any question and it reads the entire internet for you.
It gives you perfect sourced answers instantly. Research that took hours now takes seconds.
Number 5, Leonardo AI. This generates images so realistic you cannot tell they're not real photos.
Product shots, marketing visuals, art, all free. 150 images per day. Photographers are shaking.
Number 4, ElevenLabs. AI voice so real you can't tell it's not human. It clones any voice from just 30 seconds of audio.
Any language, any emotion. YouTubers use this for every single video they publish.
Number 3 lead, Bolt.new. Type what you want and it builds a complete professional website in under 60 seconds.
Full design. Working features. Zero coding. People are building Airbnb clones in 5 minutes.
Number 2, Napkin AI. Give it any text and it transforms it into beautiful diagrams and infographics automatically.
Every boring document becomes a professional visual instantly. Designers should be worried.
Google AI Studio gives you free access to Gemini, their most powerful AI. It processes 1 million tokens.
ChatGPT charges $20 a month. This is free. Right now. But it won't last forever.
All 7 tools are free right now. Subscribe for more AI discoveries. Which tool shocked you most? Comment below.